Okay.
Okay. So everything's black, okay?
Okay.
So you'll switch it, you'll turn off your breaker,
Okay.
okay? Turn everything off.
Okay.
Then what I want you to do is flip everything off.
Okay.
All switches off.
Okay.
Okay, so once that is done,
Okay.
you can, we'll start with this cord first.
Okay.
Because I'm not going to have you do,
So does it, wait a minute, does it matter what end goes on what side of that thing?
what are you talking about?
The cord.
Well, you can't plug that in. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, you did that too fast. I didn't see which end you used.
Well, this kind of, see, it's totally different.
Okay.
So you can't do this because
Okay.
it won't fit. So
Okay.
just get that as tight as possible.
Okay.
This end right here, you can back that up a bit. Unscrew this orange thing.
Okay.
Screw that one on.
Okay.
And then turn on your gas.
Oops. Turn on the gas.
Turn on
Okay.
your gas to
Okay.
on.
Okay.
Okay, now there's a switch right here. The only thing you'll need to worry about,
Uh-huh.
if you flip it up, it's for gasoline. You flip
Okay.
it down, it's for propane. So
Okay.
you'll want it down.
Okay.
And you'll also want to make sure these two are connected. It's for the battery.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to get this wire. Put that up. So it goes in like this.
Okay.
Okay. Now this end right here is kind of the ornery one because
Okay.
this cord is a little heavy anyway.
Okay.
So when you do this, you're going to have to kind of wiggle it to get it in,
Uh-huh.
and then you got to turn it.
Okay.
Okay, I think you can do it. You just, because that way it doesn't come out.
Okay.
If you turn it back, you can pull it out.
Okay.
So stick it in, turn it,
Uh-huh.
and then it won't come out.
Okay.
Okay, now this is what you do here. Flip up this switch,
Okay.
turn this one on,
Okay.
and hit start.
Okay.
Take a second.
Is it supposed to sound like that? Okay.
It might take a couple of
I don't
times.
know why.
It's just the generous, it's getting stuff.
Oh.
Now, this right here, these two things right here,
Uh-huh.
it'll say it right here, generator outlet, generator outlet.
Okay.
You can never flip this on
Uh-huh.
if this is on. Like if this is over here,
Uh-huh.
the main breaker was on,
Uh-huh.
you can never flip this on because of this plate right here.
Okay.
When we flip the breaker off, so this thing right here
Uh-huh.
goes down just like that. Now you can flip the generator on.
Okay.
So now you're getting power to this now.
Okay.
So all I'm going to try is the garage plugs. So, which would be this one right here.
Okay.
See?
Oh, okay.
But now we got power.
Okay.
So whenever the power comes back on,
Uh-huh.
you kind of do things in reverse. Turn everything back off again,
Uh-huh.
and turn this off.
Okay. you're turning everything off.
And now you're turning everything off. So press
Okay.
and hold. Hit that switch. Put that one down. So everything's good. Turn off my gas.
Okay.
Twist. Pull. And this pulls straight out.
Okay.
This one, you unscrew.
Okay.
Screw that back in.
Okay.
Just unscrew this.
Oops.
Double check, make sure your gas is off.
Okay.
So basically, you're done with that.
Okay.
Then you come back here, get this plate,
Uh-huh.
push it up, flip your breaker back on, which can be kind of tough,
Okay.
and then just start flipping everything back on.
Okay.
Voila, that's it.
A lot of steps, but